All right, here we go, style and finish. Let's finish this up. Like the video, comment on the video, share the video with friends in the business, turn on your notifications, and subscribe to the channel. By the way, subscribe to the channel. You guys are doing it. We just cracked the 21,000 subscriber mark with one of my recent videos, and I appreciate your enthusiasm for me and the content. I'm a gel guy, clipper guy, power gel, perfect for styling and finishing a flat top. If it's blown up dry from our work, we can put a little bit of gel in our hands, we can put a little bit of gel in our hair, and we can call it a day. We can also gel it wet, especially if the guy's got a little bit of kick or wave, like I tend to have in the front of mine. You put that gel in on wet hair, and you blow dry the gel in. But if it's dry and it's up, all you really need to do is dry it up. You can use wax, pomade, paste, other products, matte finish, shiny finish, depending on what you like, depending on what is appropriate and best for your hair type. But this is the finish. This is full flat topper tool, flat top. Knocks them out. Great way to rough them in. Great way to deliver them. This is going to be a haircut that comes back often, tips well, and buys product. What more would you want for a successful haircutting business? Thanks for being here. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you again starting tomorrow with a whole new haircut and a whole new breakdown series. We're going to be doing this all year in 2025. Thank you. Have a great day.